Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. Right now, Bitcoin seems to be bouncing off. Some having not bouncing off, but like having a nice bounce from these from these lows right now. We're starting to slow down the downtrend, and we were in this channel right here. You can probably see it better on the 4 hour. You can see we've just been trending down at the moment. And now we're like breaking out, so let's see if this can hold. A really good confirmations would be a daily close above out of this channel, because everything we've seen so far just wicks out of it or wicks down. So that would be really my where I would enter probably another trade or a bounce off the channel and back up. So something like this, we could just take a look at it. This is just some traditional TA. By looking at market cipher right now, it does look like we're starting to move back up, especially on the 4 hour. Let's see if we can break out of this these ribbons and start to flip them. I see that they're starting to come back up right now. It's a really good sign. We could look at the smaller time frames as well. I think on the 2 hour we have a market reversal triangle. Same thing for the 1 hour. I really want to see money flow coming back in. 1 hour is starting to creep back up. I don't know if it's going to cross over, if it's going to come back down. Excuse me. We're starting to get some strong bearish resistance. So we'll see where that takes us. Sorry, my computer's frozen. There we go. Yeah, I just really want to see the money flow come back up. You can see that it's all been red, right? Red money flow is really bad and it pushes us in the downtrend, but we're getting a nice bounce right now. So let's see if we can push back up. I do have a trade open right now on Ethereum. Let's go take a look at that. Entered at the $2,090 level, and now we're up around 160, 170%, something around that area, right? Not exactly at 1980. We're up. We're using 10 leverage, so we are up a significant amount, which is really good. So we're up around 130, 140% right now. We were at 170 this morning, and that was really nice gains. But I'm not going to close my trade just yet. We're getting absolutely ridiculous bullish numbers right now on the DBSI for the stock for the market cipher indicator. So I'm really happy about that. I just really want to see the money flow come back on the daily time frame. Yeah, where the money flow is still there for Ethereum, but the momentum has shifted. So let's see if we can get a nice green dot on there. And for Bitcoin, the money flow is in the red right now. I really want to see the money flow come back. Like CryptoFace said yesterday on his stream, I don't know if you watched it, but you definitely check him out. He is a creator of Market Cipher, and he's pretty much a legend when it comes to looking at this indicator. And we're breaking through their spiral lines. It's really good news. But we're not out of the woods yet. Something that I could see definitely happening. Let's go look at the EMA ribbons right here. Something I could definitely see happening is we break out from this channel, but we go up to test the 21 EMA, and then possibly come back down, right? Because this might be just like a suckers rally, where everyone starts to buy back in here. It's over. But if we break back above the 21 EMA. And close the week off above it, that would be then I would start to flip really bullish again. But right now we are in a short-term downtrend. Possibly maybe a little like short-term. It could be a few months if we stay below these levels. But I don't know why people are saying we've never closed below the 21 EMA in a bull market. Because in 2013 we did. Like when we go all the way back here in 2013, there we go. We closed right there. Let me just adjust this so you can see it better. 2013 we closed below there. Let's just put on logarithmic time scale for us to see it better. On the log scale, yeah, see we closed below here, and then we came back up, and then we chopped around this area. Right, you could do something exactly like that, right? Like history does not repeat itself, but it could rhyme. Like it could follow similar patterns of the past. So this is definitely possible. So we could definitely have a rally back up to the 21 EMA, fight it there, and if we don't close above it, then we don't close above it, and then we could just keep going in a downtrend. But if we close above it, this could have been like a really massive, like, just shakeout, right? Just scare everyone, right? If everyone is looking at the same chart, they're definitely going to try to scare everyone, make them think it's over, the bull market's over. But we'll see where that takes us. Right now we just, we dipped down 54%, but I think we were having a nice little bounce right now, especially on the RSI. The RSI has been going down like crazy, especially on the weekly. Right now we're at the 43 point level, so I think we could get a nice little bounce from here, but we'll see. Nothing's guaranteed. There's no free lunch. Right now we're going up. I think we might hit some resistance around the $40,000 area, but what's really important is I really want to see a daily close above that area on the daily, above this channel, because we're breaking out of this channel right now, but I really want to see a daily close above that, or at least a 4 hour. A 4 hour would be nice. Sorry, we'll take it off the log scale. There we go. A daily close above this area would be really good. And just by looking at the hash ribbons, the hash ribbon indicator, this thing has closed off. The ribbons have crossed again, but we're just gonna wait for that buy signal. If that buy signal comes back, I'll probably put a significant portion of my cash reserve back into BTC, because we could see, like, in the past, it's just been going up. Every time there's a buy signal, we go up. Maybe it's not up 300%, but it could be a nice 30% gain. And this would be a non-leveraged trade for me if I would buy here. If anything, if I do leverage trade, it's a low leverage long-term position, and then or depending on the market conditions, I'll decide to leverage at the time. I don't always use the same leverage. I adjust with market conditions. We see that Bitcoin dominance had an amazing weekly bounce from here, and we're starting to come down right now because the altcoins are starting to go up as well. As you can see, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, everything's going up 9%, 8%. I'm surprised Dogecoin's still there, 33 cents. It's crazy. But never forget who the king is. It's Bitcoin, right? It's always the most stable one. Obviously, when everything does go down, Bitcoin goes down 10%, 15%, the altcoins will bleed 30, 50%, as we saw like in the past. Even Ethereum was bleeding like crazy. And I'm just looking at the DXY right now. The dollar strengthening this, and we're starting to move down again, which is really good because we want the dollar to go down for scarce asset like Bitcoin, gold, and silver to go up. And right now, Bitcoin, gold, and silver are going up as the DXY is going down. So let's hope that the dollar strength index can breach below these levels, and then I'll be really, really, really bullish on the scarce assets. Anyways, this is this stock to flow model 2. I'm going to talk more about this in the next video. Just want to reiterate how it works and why we're bouncing from these levels, and the stock to flow model really shows that. But that's going to be the next video. Just upload that sometime later today, and we'll talk about it more. Anyways, thanks for listening, guys. You have a wonderful day and trade safe. Don't use too much leverage. Peace.